जी students, now the new guest moved towards Maheen, and Mrs. Ahad actually thought so that the new guest is very much pride and arrogant. That's why she cried out in protest. She wanted to stop the new guest from going towards Maheen because she thought so that he is rude and arrogant. He is not replying their gentle questions in correct way. He didn't have ignored our request like this. The landlord put in more mildly. The landlord जो है ना Mr. Ahad, he gently says that he shouldn't ignore our request like this, कि इसे हमारी request को जो हमने की थी उसको इस तरह से ignore नहीं करना चाहिए. I too was a bit upset, and for it was obvious that our efforts to save Maheen embarrassment from stranger was going to fail in this instance. I too was a bit upset. मैं भी थोड़ा परेशान था for क्योंकि it was obvious that our efforts to save Maheen embarrassment from stranger was going to fail in this instance. क्योंकि हमारी Maheen को स्ट्रेंजर की एम्बेरसमेंट या स्ट्रेंजर से एम्बेरसमेंट से बचाने की एफ़र्ट जो है दैट वाज गोइंग टू बी फेल, वो बिल्कुल ख़त्म होती जा रही थी. आफ्टर अ फ्यू मोमेंट्स वो मैं बिल्कुल नाकाम होती नज़र आ रही थी. आफ्टर अ फ्यू मोमेंट्स वी ऑल वॉकड आउट टू द विरांडा and I was apprehensive of that impending look of anguish on the faces of the parents and the child. आफ्टर अ फ्यू मोमेंट्स कुछ लम्हे बाद हम लोग जो है ना वी वॉकड आउट टू द विरांडा, हम विरांडा की तरफ मूव कर गए, बरामदे की तरफ हम लोग गए. एंड आई वॉज वरीड बिकॉज आई थॉट सो दैट नाउ देर विल बी एंग्विश लुक ऑन द फेसेस ऑफ द पेरेंट्स एंड चाइल्ड. I thought so that now the anguish look will occur on their faces, on the face of girl and the parents. The scene that confronted us was something was least expected, and but the situation was totally opposite, and the scene which was in front of us was totally opposite our expectation. The strange young man was reclining on the grassy ground, and Maheen was sitting on his lap. As the young man was lean down and on the grassy ground, and Maheen was sitting in his lap, वो उसकी गोद में बैठी हुई थी. He was showing her the flowers, वो उसको flowers दिखा रहा था. And suddenly, like the sound of a gun exploding, the shrill animal-like laughter of Maheen pierced the ear. And sudden और अचानक जो है ना, like the exploding of the gun, like a blast of a gun, there was a shrill animal-like laughter of Maheen pierced the air. अचानक से हवा में जो है ना, यानी कि बिल्कुल उसकी चीखों की तरह, एनिमल्स की तरह चीखने की आवाज़ जो है ना उसके हंसने की, वो हवा में फैल गई. फिर क्या हुआ, यानी शी वॉज टू मच हैप्पी. The parents looked at each other with wonder and amazement. Both the parents, Mr. and Mrs. Ahad, they were looking at each other with amazement and wonder and amazement. They were so much surprised. Our daughter has not laughed like this for years, Mrs. Ahad said. Mrs. Ahad said that our daughter never laughed like this. She never became too much happy like this. Curious, we were too much curious. There was curiosity in us that what happened with these two people, between these two person, between Mrs. David and between Mr. David and Maheen, what happened between both of them, that that they were laughing loudly. We watched the two of them who were now walking towards us hand in hand, and we saw that they were too much frank with each other. Maheen ran to her mother and danced about her with joy. She made her queer sounds of ma 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 and wildly pointed to the young man. Now Maheen danced around her mother with joy. She was too much happy, and she made her queer sounds of mama and wildly pointed to the young man. She made the strange sound of mama, and then she pointed toward the young man. it was Mr. David who came to our rescue, and this young man was Mr. David who came here to save them from tension, to save them from embarrassment, to save them from this type of calamity. We soon realized that he was deaf and dumb too. After that, we realized that he is also deaf and dumb. His strange, ambiguous silences, his sudden rush for the girls on reading the note, all became instantly clear to us.